This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You're signed into the right Google account, and you know if YouTube Premium is an option. Next, install a trusted ad blocker extension like uBlock Origin or AdGuard. This is where the actual ad suppression begins. Once installed, make sure to enable the extension and permit it to run on YouTube. Also turn on your browser's tracker and third-party cookie blocking so the blockers have fewer avenues to fail, which speeds up success. Once the extension is active, move to Advanced Configuration. Enable strict filter lists such as Easy List and uBlock's extra rules and update them immediately. Use the Element Picker tool to target recurring ad containers, end screens, and overlay cards that slip through filters. If you want network-wide control, set up DNS-level blocking with Pi-hole or configure DNS over HTTPS using an ad blocking provider. This catches ads on other devices. To finish, verify results by watching varied videos and using an incognito window. Clear cache and cookies to remove stale ad scripts. If ads continue, disable or remove conflicting extensions like other blockers or aggressive VPNs, and check for browser updates that may have broken filters. If you still see ads, consider YouTube Premium as a reliable fallback for ad-free playback and extra features. Troubleshooting tip: if something breaks, disable your blocker, refresh, then re-enable it to rebuild filters and isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.